In this question, we are asked to find out the minimum value of 32 tan square x plus 18 cot square x. If you assume that tan x is equal to say a, then tan square x will be a square and cot square x will be 1 by a square. So the given equation or the given expression is of the form 32a square plus 18 by a square. What is the minimum value of this? We can apply the arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean theorem. So 32a square plus 18 by a square divided by 2 will be greater than or equal to square root of 32a square plus 18 by a square into 18 by a square. You can cancel a square on both sides. Square root of 32 into 18 is equal to square root of 64 into 9, which is equal to 8 into 3, that is 24. So 32a square plus 18 by a square is greater than or equal to 2 times 24, which is 48. So the minimum value of 32 tan square plus 18 cot square x is equal to 48.